Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Nasser and today I'm going to be reviewing the UV Sterilizer by the brand Rock. A quick announcement before I start the review. I've changed the name of the channel from Rex Reviews to Nasser Reviews because the name Rex Reviews was already taken. So anyways, let's get started with the review. I will unbox this first. The box comes with the UV Sterilizer. We'll get to that later. It also comes with a charging cable and some documents. Here is the sterilizer. It is very unique. If you have seen a mobile phone sterilizer or anything like that before, this is much different from that. The shape of this is quite unique. Now you might be wondering how something can be sanitized or sterilized in it. So what you have to do to use it, you have to take off the base first, then you can expand the sterilizer. Then whatever you want to sterilize can be placed in the base, or you can use it without the base as well. You can just place a sanitizer of the thing that you want to sterilize. Now I'm going to explain why using a UV sterilizer is a good idea. Most of us have mobile phones and we usually keep them with us no matter where we go. So that usually also includes the bathroom. So our mobile phone can also have some particles on it and a lot of other stuff as well. So the problem with keeping your mobile phone with you at all times is that it can get a lot of germs on it from a lot of different places. So it is a good idea to sterilize your mobile phone once in a while. So now I'm going to demonstrate how it can be used. This has a USB Type-C port over here. It doesn't have any batteries. You have to plug it in the wall, or you can use a power bank to power it whenever you want to use it. So I'm going to plug it in now. You can see the red light around the button. When you press the button, it starts the sterilization process. But another thing that I want to demonstrate is that when I press the button turns green. This means that the sterilization process has started. But if you turn the sterilizer at a 50-degree angle, the light will turn back to red. So this is a safety feature in it, so you cannot hurt your eyes with this or anything like that. If I turn it on now, you can see the lights in it. If I tilt it more, this turns off the light. Now I'm going to put a mobile phone in it to sterilize it. So what I like to do is I put the mobile phone with the screen facing upwards one time. Then once the sterilization process is completed, I put the screen facing down. This way both sides are sterilized equally. I don't know how well it works, but hopefully it kills the germs like it says. So now I'm going to place the sterilizer over it, and now I'm going to press the power button, and now I'm going to let it sterilize. It sterilizes for 5 minutes at a time, but you can turn it off before if you want. But now I'm going to wait 5 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. The sterilization process has been completed. The mobile phone has been sterilized and hopefully all the germs on it have been killed. Now I'm going to open it. Wait a minute, what's this? It's a note from the UV Sterilizer and it says, subscribe to this channel. And also remember to like and comment. This is, well, weird. I have used this UV sterilizer a few times before, like 3 or 4 times, and this has never happened. The UV sterilizer has never tried to communicate with me before. Let's put the note aside and move on. Okay, where was I? Yeah, so as I was saying, the mobile phone hopefully has been sterilized and all the germs on it have hopefully been killed. What I do is I take off the cover from my mobile phone, then I sterilize both sides of the mobile phone, then I sterilize both sides of the cover as well. This way the cover and the mobile phone, like all surfaces of those things, both of these things are sterilized. The page on AliExpress has a document on it which is some sort of lab result by some lab which indicate that this product actually works. Would I recommend this product? Well, if you need a UV sterilizer, then it is a good choice. It is very portable, which is one thing that I really like about it. And it also comes in white color. It has another variant which supports wireless charging, so you can place your mobile phone over the sterilizer and it will charge it. That's about it for this review. Thanks for watching, and also remember to, well, do what the sterilizer said. Subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you in the next video.